Never imagining ideas.
Well, good morning.
I want you to put one arm around the other, okay? Let's have Carolyn, why don't you paddle with Scott? Is that okay with you?
Turn around there, Ward.
You're set to go, Mark. Awesome.
Started that way, and then we came up with. That's a good place for him.
Whoa, this is kind of heavy. Maybe just get throw off our steering.
Yeah. Well, actually, the park that we're on.
Decided to go back.
Downstream.
Got to take a movie of the people coming down.
Are you documenting this?
Yeah, I'm we're,
Not on my way.
So I assume the Green River has several dams on it, right?
Well, one big one. The Flaming Gorge Dam's the biggest one.
Basically, unreal.
Do you have the top of the wall in?
Top of the wall? Probably not.
Probably not.
Actually, I can go back
I don't care which way.
The bilge water.
Probably do better intimate in the river. That's what Oh, look at the reflection of the rocks on the water.
You got. I'm not sure about.
This batter's hot.
So it turns out it looks like it's a foot and then a knee step.
Slow chemical reaction.
I'll send it to you, bro.
Do you have Fremont in you?
Okay, Amy, you ready?
Doing what comes natural.
And the guy with the arms raised had a really good dump.
You just finished with that.
Go ahead.
It's good!
That guy's like,
Totemic sauce. It might be a bird or.
Flash is on there for some reason.
what are you doing?
I'll put it away unless somebody else wants some.
They might have worked out that.
Experience. So it's not as though you have to have a like a course in canoeing or something. Yeah. Right.
All day to be here, and it's you know, it's not climbing. It's not over a whole bunch of unstable teeter-tottery.
Yeah, I was teeter-totters.
Yeah, I know.
Expecting it, but boy, it happens.
Tantric. What?
Boy, this, you guys look positively disturbed.
Flies in here.
Yeah.
All in a row like that.
I wouldn't have put everybody through this.
Oh, cool!
This good.
This is cool too. People wrote their names.
Yeah.
They hit me in the foot.
It's molecular acid.
What is going on here?
Hit my foot. I've had a lot of things hit my foot.
Oh, you're going to try to get our model canyon.
It is. It's in miniature. It's
incredible.
absolutely perfect.